Yes. What's going on, my trading addicts? Shout out to you guys because you know I'm not the only one that's addicted to these markets. Now let's get it. My name is Ben, aka Day Trading Addict, and I have a good video for you guys today. Today, you're gonna see me working from home, trading only 2 hours a day, okay? I'm gonna show you guys my trades from last week and my trades from this week, okay? So while I'm recording, it's the middle of the week, so the week is not complete yet, but I'm gonna show you guys all my trades, right? And I'm gonna show you guys my losers, my winners, everything, okay? And some trades are just, really quick clips of me just getting in, getting out. And then actually one day I decided to record my screen and you're gonna see me do some quick live scalping. So let's waste no time, let's go. All right, so this is last week, Tuesday. Remember, last week it was a short week because we had a holiday on Monday, so this is Tuesday, right? So what do we have here? We have the NASDAQ market, and I'm trading on the futures platform, okay? This is the 5-minute chart. So what I do every single day, I look at my levels. For the most part, I'm looking at my high time frame levels, right? 1 hour levels, and then I'm plotting it on my chart. And also I'm looking at the 5-minute chart. I'm looking at the market, see if it's either ranging, trending, whatever the case is. So we had a nice break to the downside, breaking this support. I was looking for a quick scalp for a nice, maybe a 1-to-1 or even maybe a 2-to-1, right? So I went short right here when I saw the market basically going down, right? And again, I was looking for a quick maybe 2-to-1 or 1-to-1, okay? The market came back, stopped me out. It is what it is. We can't win every single time, okay? So that was that trade. Now, notice how the market pushed back up, giving me this nice bullish move to the upside. So I'm looking at that. Now I'm like, all right, most likely the bulls are in control because we were supposed to go down. Now all of a sudden, bulls is coming in the market. So notice now we have this left shoulder right here, okay? And also we have 5-minute demand right here. So let me erase this so you guys can see this, right? So we have 5-minute demand, okay, right here where you see this rectangle box. And the market came back to this demand right here, guys, okay? So I was looking for a trade right there because it was lining up to this left shoulder support right here, and we have 5-minute demand. I went long right here, boom, I got out as soon as we hit this high right here, okay? And I'm gonna show you guys a quick clip right here. Notice how I got in, right? And I'm about to take my profits, and if you look to the left, I'm pretty much up $4,300 for the day, okay? So let's go to the next day. Okay, so the next day at the open, you see the market popped up, right? We had resistance right here. The market was trying to go up. Notice how it tried to go up right here, but it's like it's struggling, okay? So when I start to see sellers come in right here, I said, all right, the market looks like it's probably weak. Let me go short. Boom, I went short right here, and I rolled this baby all the way down to here, right? So I'm gonna show you guys a quick clip right here. You see me getting in, okay? You see me in the move right here, and you're gonna see me about to get out. And that day I'm up $1,034, okay? So let's go to the next day. Okay, so here's the next day, guys, okay? Notice how we have this black line right here. This is 1 hour support, okay? Notice how every time it hit that support, we are rejecting that support, okay? Twice, 1, 2. So I got in right here. I went long, okay? And I got out for a quick break even because it went up a 1-to-1, right? I wasn't too sure what the market wanted to do that day because we did a nice breakout, and I didn't know if we was going to continue to go down one more time. Yes, we bounced off support real quick, but at the same time, when it pushed up, gave me that quick 1-to-1, I just put my stop to break even, just to be safe. Okay. Now, notice how we went to supply and the market started to sell off. I went short right here, looking for these lows, looking for the market to basically break these lows right here. All right, stop above, the zone, whatever. And I'm looking to, get my profits. Next thing you know, the market bounced off this level right here, and then we went back up, and that was another break even, right? So I'm like, all right, I got 2 break evens. It is what it is. I was pretty much done for the day until I saw the market. Honestly, I thought it was about to roll over. So I went short right here. If you look at this candle right here, all right, the market was consolidating a little bit, and then I thought we was going to break down right here. So I went short, right? Now I know it looks like, I'm going against the trend, but trust me, it's one of my strategies. So we went down just a little bit. Okay, I was looking for a big target for this one, right? Now we went down just a little bit and we went back up, and that was another break even. So I got 3 break evens for the day. I'm done. I'm not trading anymore. So that was that day. A little bit, frustrating, annoying, but it is what it is. You can't win every single day, right? So let's go to the next day. All right, so here's the next day, guys. So overall, if you look at the structure, we are in a strong down move, okay? So I'm looking at this. This is the open right here, right? The market shot down and it came back up. So I'm thinking, okay, maybe they want to reverse it, because sometimes they do that in the morning time. They just go down and come right back up. So I'm looking, right? And overall, we have resistance right here, okay? The market came back, resistance right here, and it popped back to that resistance again, okay? So notice how we had this nice rejection. It came back again, another rejection. I went short right here, looking for a nice 2-to-1, okay? I have a quick clip on that. You see me basically in the market right now, and you're going to see me get out the market. And that day I was up around 2,108 whatever dollars, okay? So that was Friday. Now let's go to this week. Now this was the day where I decided to record my screen. So I'm gonna show you guys a quick recorded, okay? So right here you see the market is about to open. It didn't open yet, okay? So let me fast forward this real quick. Okay, so here's the market. It finally opened, and if you see right here, we're gonna have a nice blast to the upside. So in my mind, I'm like, all right, maybe today is gonna be a bullish day, okay? So I'm looking at this and I'm like, all right, so maybe I'm looking for longs, okay? So let me fast forward this real quick. Okay, so look at this market right here, okay? You see the market went up, gave you that nice bullish bar, but all of a sudden it's rejecting. The market is looking really weak. So in my mind, I'm like, all right, if it stays weak, I'm gonna go short. So let me fast forward this. So right here, you see I'm in the market, I'm short. I'm looking for possible demand, because right here we have 1 hour demand and we have 5-minute demand, okay? So I'm looking for the market to go to that demand area, right? So let me fast forward this and show you guys what happened next. All right, so you see that the market went down and we went to support and we was bouncing off support. So you see that I just got out for break even because I didn't like that type of action. We were supposed to go down. Now all of a sudden we are rejecting off support. So I'm like, you know what? Let me just get out for break even just in case. So let me fast forward to show you guys what happened next. So right here, I'm seeing this nice bullish bar. So I'm like, okay, the market is rejecting off of support. Let me go long real quick. Maybe it's going to break out to the upside, okay? So I went long right here. So I'm waiting. Let me fast forward this real quick. And boom, I got stopped out. Now, I forgot to record the stop out, but it is what it is. I got stopped out on a move. You can see the market came back down and stopped me out. Now, let me show you this trade right here. When I got in this trade, I thought I was still recording, okay, but I wasn't. So I recorded this late, but let me explain this trade real quick. So notice how when I got stopped out, okay, we went to that 5-minute demand. Remember, I was talking about that 5-minute demand. I wanted the market to come to that demand so I can get out, and I was looking for a possible long at that demand. So notice how the market is breaking out right at that demand, okay? Bulls are coming in, so I went long. So let me show you guys what happened next. All right, so the market is looking good. Now, I want to show you guys this real quick because we are at resistance. I don't have the line up, but it was a resistance right there, okay? And I'm looking at this, and I'm looking at it rejecting resistance, but I was hoping that the market was so bullish that it was going to break resistance and keep going. So right now I'm just looking at this, and making sure the market still wants to go up. So let me show you guys real quick what I did next. Now, notice how the market is trying to go up. We can't even make a new high. We have this nice bearish bar right here. I'm about to get out because I don't like the structure anymore. Remember, we are at resistance and it's looking weak. So you see me just get out, and I'm pretty much done for the day because the market is looking weak right at resistance. I don't really want to take a short at resistance right now because I'm not too sure if it wants to continue to go back up, but I'm out, I'm done. And if you look to the left, okay, you see I'm up $877.50 for that day, okay? So that was Monday. Let's go to the next day. Okay, so this day was fun because I actually decided to go live for my students, and I was trading in front of my students this day. So let me show you guys what happened. So in the morning time, we was bouncing off support right here. You see the market open right here, bouncing off support. So I was looking for a possible pullback to this demand level, okay, right here, okay, and then I was looking for the market to bounce up and continue to go back. But notice how the market just shot up right at this resistance, okay? So I'm looking at this and I'm like, all right, maybe, I could take a short right here, maybe back to demand, whatever, and either get out for a quick one-to-one or see how it, reacts to that demand level, right? Now, I didn't go short right away because I didn't like the bullish action. It was looking really bullish. I was waiting a little bit, and then I saw this nice rejection, and then you see how we had this nice bearish bar. I went short right here, okay? And this is going to be, a quick scalp, but next thing you know, the market reversed on me, and I got stopped out because I was only risking, that red bar, okay? Boom, I got stopped out. Now, when I got stopped out, I realized, okay, I went to the 1 minute chart, okay? I realized we was breaking out, okay? Let me show you guys this real quick. So if you look at this, guys, we had a nice breakout right here, right? So when the market broke out, right, of this nice channel right here, boom, on the 1 minute, and it stopped me out, I'm like, all right, it looks like the market is bullish and it's going to make that continuation to the upside. So I'm looking at the market, stalking the market, and then I told my students I'm going to take a quick scalp once the market goes above this high right here, okay? So I was looking for a nice momentum trade. So I went long right here, and I got out at resistance, okay? So we had resistance right here. Let me mark that down for you guys. We had resistance right here, right? So I got out, boom. As soon as we hit that resistance, I got out, and I was done, okay? That was a nice quick scalp because I saw the market, going up. It was really bullish, so I just did that quick scalp. All right, so that was that trade. So let's go to the next trade. All right, so if you look at this, we had a nice bullish run right here, and we had demand right here, okay? And we had support right here, okay? So the market came back to the support area right here. I went long right here because I saw, bulls come in, and I told my students, hey, I'm going long right here. It went one-to-one, and it came back. I was like, you know what? I'm out because it's around lunchtime. I didn't really want to basically, get in the market and the market stop chopping around, because if you know anything about lunchtime, the market gets a little slow and sluggish and chops around. So I got out for break even, right? So I was done for the day. I thought I was done for the day, but I went to the bathroom. I came back. I was looking at my chart, and I noticed that we made a nice double bottom right here. We can't go lower. So notice how we had this nice bullish bar right here. I went long again, and I'm gonna show you guys a quick clip right here. You see me in this trade, and pretty much I was up 2,700 on that trade, and I got out when the market started to roll over right here, okay? So I was done for that day. So let's go to the next day. All right, so this is today, okay? This week didn't finish yet. This is today. And again, I decided to go live for my students again, all right? So I'm trading live again in front of my students, and basically today was a really ugly day, okay? If you look at it, it was really choppy. If y'all guys made money off this day, congratulations, whatever the case is, But me personally, I was trying to go long. So notice how we have support right here, right? We bounced off support. Honestly, I wanted to go long right here. I told my students I wanted to go long right here, but I didn't like how we was in this tight range. So I said, you know what? Let the market break out of this range first, and then let it pull back to this demand, and let me get in, okay? So the market pulled back to this demand. I didn't get in right away. And next thing you know, I thought we was going to break out to the upside some more. So I got in right here. And basically, I had a wide stop on this one. Okay, my stop was wide. And I was looking for a quick 2-to-1. Okay, a quick 2-to-1 on this one. But, we didn't get it. When I saw the market went out right here, start to pull back, I just got out for, a half a loss. I didn't get out full loss, but I got out loss. And, it is what it is. That was a loser right there, okay? So I'm looking at the market. So I'm like, all right, most likely the market wants to continue to go back up because we still holding structure right here, right? So the market pulled back, decided to basically do a nice little double bottom right here. I went long right here, and I was looking for a nice maybe 3-to-1, 2-to-1 on this trade. But the market decided to, chop around and boom, come back down. So that trade was a break even, right? It is what it is. Now, when it came back to my break even, it started to bounce off a little bit, right? So I went in for a quick scalp and looking for a nice reward right here. But it came back and then boom, it stopped me out, with a small loss. It is what it is. This day was an ugly day because the market wasn't moving, right? We talking about from 9 o'clock all the way to like maybe 12 o'clock. The market was in this tight little ugly range, okay? Again, if you guys went short, congratulations, okay? So when I finally got stopped out right here, I was like, all right, the market most likely wants to go down. So I went for a quick scalp, okay? And I was out and I was done for the day. So this small scalp right here wasn't really full size. So I'm still down for the day, but I know for a fact I handled this day very well because a lot of people, especially new traders, could definitely get chopped up in this mess right here, okay? Every single day is not going to be a winner, but, you know, as long as you're winning more than you're losing, okay, and your winners is bigger than your losers, you know, that's a good thing. Like today, I'm down around $800. It is what it is, okay? But you see those other days when I'm winning maybe sometimes $4,000 or $2,000 or sometimes $1,000. Okay, so I actually have an extra trade for you guys, right? Today is the next day. Usually what I do is I record on Wednesdays, edit on Thursdays, and upload on Fridays, okay? So I usually don't, you know, try to film on Thursdays. But today I actually decided to film because, remember, this day that I showed you right here, it was a losing day. So the next day, which is today, okay, I actually traded in front of my students once again, and today was a winning day. And this is why I want you guys to chill out. If you have a losing day, it's part of the business. But tomorrow is a new day. So let me show you guys the trades. So right here, guys, in the morning, right, we had a nice down move right here, okay? So you see, this is where the market opened. We went down right here, right? And basically, we were supposed to roll over, continue to go back down, but we didn't. So as soon as we popped up, right, I told my students I'm about to go long right now. I went long and went up for a quick one-to-one. And when it came back, I got out for a break even. Good thing I did because definitely the market would stop me out on this one. So anyway, notice how we had this nice red big bar right here, okay? When you see that, the market should continue to go down like crazy, but we didn't. We barely made a new low. So as soon as the market started to reject and bulls started to come back in the market, I told my students I'm going long again. I went long right here and I got out right here. I got out and I was done for the day, okay? That was my trade. I don't need to trade all day. When you understand the markets and when you understand price action, you don't need to be trading all day, okay? So if you look to the left, I'm up $1,500.01.50, okay? And the reason why I want to show you guys this is chill out. Forget about your losing days. Tomorrow's a new day, all right? So that's all of my trades last week and this week. We still got a couple more days to go, but I want to show you guys all my losers and all my winners to show you guys how I'm able to trade only 2 hours a day from home and take profits out of the market, okay? Every single day is not going to be a winner, but I'm okay with losing. A lot of people are afraid to show you guys they're losers, but me personally, I don't care when I'm losing because I know if I keep trading high quality setups, I can make profits and build my trading account, okay? So that's all I have for you guys and girls today. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and also join my free Telegram group where I post motivational videos and exclusive discounts for my trading program. If you don't have my trading program by now, make sure you pick that up because it can take your trading to the next level. Information is below in the description, okay? If you have any questions, please comment below because I try to answer all your guys' questions. Thanks a lot for your time, and please have a great day.